Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the host PC is powered and reachable on the network. Then install the remote desktop app on your phone and the corresponding server component on the PC. Next, enable remote access on the PC and set a strong password so you can authenticate. Write down the IP address or hostname. Once done, test a local connection on the same network to confirm ports and credentials work before attempting external access. Now configure how the phone will reach the PC securely. Use a VPN or an SSH tunnel to avoid exposing raw ports, or rely on the remote app's encrypted relay service. If you must use port forwarding, open only the required port and bind to a specific IP. Set router rules carefully. After connectivity, tune display resolution, scaling, and input mapping so touch gestures map to mouse and keyboard, making the desktop usable on a small screen. Finish by creating and saving a connection profile on your phone with the host address, credentials, and preferred display settings. Then connect and confirm clipboard, audio, and file transfer work. To secure access long-term, enable two-factor authentication if available, change default ports, and enforce strong passwords. If you can't connect, check the PC firewall rules, verify router port forwarding or VPN status, inspect app logs for error codes, and retry after restarting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.